स्वागत है आपके चैनल स्टडी मटेरियल में। आज हम पोइट्री सेक्शन का सेकंड पोम करेंगे, ऑन द मॉर्निंग ऑफ क्राइस्ट नेटिविटी बाय जॉन मिल्टन। चलो दोस्तों, हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर। जॉन मिल्टन 15 to 16th century wrote Paradise Lost and after 4 years Paradise Regained. Christians, Puritans and Catholics. Title is The Birth of Christ on the Morning of Winters. It is lyric type of poem, hymn, a song of worship to God, and ode. An ode is lyrical poem typically one in the form of an address to a particular subject denote to birth of Jesus. A song which is praising or glorifying on an event or an individual. Nativity ode, the occasion of somebody's birth. Title talks about the story of birth of Jesus Christ. About the poet. John Milton was an English and intellectual poet who served as a civil servant for Commonwealth of England. He was born in 1608 and died in 1674 in London in family of Puritan scriveners. He received his education at the Christ College, Cambridge. He started writing poems in Italian and Latin. He wrote at a time of religious flux and politics upheaval and best known for his epic poem Paradise Lost 1667, written in blank verse. Blank verse is poetry written with regular metrical but unrhymed lines. Devoted his most productive years to political writings in prose. Areopagitica 1664 in his passionate defense of his freedom and truth. Lost his eyesight in 1651 at the age of 43. He wrote this poem at the age of 21 while he was at Cambridge. About the poem. The specific poem is about the birth of Christ and his poetic career. Written in 1629 when he was 21 years old. Therefore, this poem can also be taken as poet preparing to begin his career. During the 17th century, it was common for poets to write odes celebrating the birth of Christ. Theme of poem is about the capacity to change the world. The poet takes the reader through a series of natural images through the poem. The poem moves in a prediction of the future that is going to be great. According to John Milton, he believes that peace will cover the entire land and no one will be going to war anymore. Structure of the poem. There are two sections in the poem, 31 total stanzas. First is introductory part, comprises the first 4 stanzas, and then we have the second part, comprises 27 stanzas. A few important points from the poem. In the very first stanza, nature is imagined as glamorous woman who strips off her jewels and makeup and everything else that would be inappropriate for a stable birth. Sun in the poem is personified as lover of nature. Earth, nature, and sun are personified as human beings in the poem. Nature was ashamed of his beauty and hence forsake it for Jesus Christ. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.